Alright, welcome to the drums version of Cornerstone for Boost. Now the song is pretty progressive. It starts very, very soft and builds up, soft again, then builds up again. The thing that you will have to watch out is that you don't make it too extreme to start off with. You start it very, very slowly, not so much slowly, I guess, very weak with the drums itself, so it doesn't overpower anything else. I start with triplets on the floors, so in the video when you watch that, you'll actually see it just sounds like I'm just doing ones like that, but I'm actually doing triplets, but the actual ghost notes are really soft, so you can barely hear them. And as time progresses, they actually get louder, so it kind of starts off like that, and then later on you'll be able to do. So you actually progress those as the song continues. After that, I mean, there's an occasional kick on the fours, which you'll hear, just slipped in here and there, just to add a little bit of dynamic. Also starting to bring the cymbals in a little bit. After that, you'll notice that it slowly builds up into the chorus the second time around, and it ends up being quite loud. So I actually changed from doing triplets, which obviously like that, to actually doing paradiddles. And when I do them, I actually, I guess, make the right hand a lot louder than the left. So it ends up sounding, the triplets were like this. And when I end up doing the paradiddles, it goes like that. But I tend to bring in the simples here and there. So it would be similar like that. But I'm not going to be, I mean, that's how I like to do it. And it really adds a nice dynamic sound to it, so I would recommend learning something like that. So the kick slowly brings in, and then you've got the paradiddles. That comes into the main power beat, which is so it has this really cool. So it has a really nice flavour to it. It keeps everything together, but it's a little bit original, which I really like, so it's not just your very, very straightforward beat. After that, it goes into what I like to call a show-off beat. And this is where he really gets excited on the snare, which sounds great coming out of the choruses, so maybe the last half a bar of a chorus or half a bar of the end of the bridge. So the power beat is... It goes into the show-off beat, which is... But you can do whatever you like, just make sure, I guess, it increases in intensity. You get a little bit more snare coming up to the parts where it then cuts out and goes into another part. They're the main sections of this song. Have fun with it, most of all, but make sure that you leave enough room for everyone else, mainly the vocals, just to really shine through. And then when it gets loud, you can really thrash it out and have some fun with it. So, good luck.